just saw this result. So again, let's go in and let's see how we planned this surgery and what we did. He had come from Canada and he was very clear that he wanted the complete coverage in just single session. It was very difficult for him to come back again for the second session. Generally what we do is we plan for, so we told him that he can go in for FUE and body hair transplant. So this is what we planned. You can see the level of baldness. He's got a very good donor area. The donor area is quite, you can see it's quite thick. Good number of grafts. So but the coverage we wanted to give till the the last part of it, the entire vertex, the mid scalp and the frontal area. So this is how we planned. This was the planning which we did. This was the frontal first part, the mid scalp area we had, and this is the vertex area which we planned to cover. Generally, if you go only with FUE and body hair transplant, we are able to cover the first and the second part, that is the frontal area and the mid scalp. Usually vertex ke liye itne baal, we don't usually generally have that amount of hairs if we do only with FUE and body hair. So we asked him, we told him that we will do FUT also, which he was ready. So we took the strip from this area and we have taken FUE grafts from this area, and then we have taken a lot of beard grafts also. You can see this is the marquee for FUT, FUE, and this was the coverage motive view. Again here this is the side view. Now we have taken grafts from the beard. We have used up the entire, quite a good amount of beard also. And now you can see this is his immediate post-op. You can see I have taken stitches over here. This is the stitches of the FUT. This is again harvested grafts from above and below. And we were able to cover the entire frontal, the mid scalp and the vertex area. You can see this coverage. Now this is his results after about, he's still in Canada, so he has just taken some pics and sent it to us. This is after about 8 months of the surgery. He is on vitamin therapy, minoxidil local application twice a day, and he's taking finasteride alternate days, 1 milligram on alternate days. So now you can see, now because he's got long hairs, the stitches are covered, the FUE, the donor area looks quite good. It's got a good vertex coverage also. Now this is the side view. Again, you don't see any kind of stitches or anything. It's a little bit on the lighter side and the vertex, obviously because we ran short of grafts. We have taken about 5,000 grafts in total in a single session for this patient. And this is his another result. And this is his juice. Mother happy patient. Thank you.